Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tolulokwe. I film about faith, marriage and lifestyle from Lagos, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my snapback journey. Okay, don't mind me. I don't like to call it snapback. It's just what it is. Okay, my fitness journey. Okay, so if you don't know, I had a baby about almost a year ago now, and I've come a long way. Okay, I'm going to be putting pictures all through this video as well. So let me start from the beginning. About fitness. Okay, when I went for my master's in the UK, I started this fitness lifestyle that, you know, I used to take walks, I used to run, I used to do like HIIT cardio and all the good stuff in my room. I had 6 packs, no jokes, I had 6 packs. And I'm going to do a video on the purpose of isolation, because obviously everybody now is in isolation in quotes. So but those are one of the things I focused on when I went to do my master's. Now after I left the UK and came back to Nigeria, the stress of Lagos literally took me in. I went off the wagon. I started eating late because I was working in the bank. Things just happened, and in fact, I was actually still skinny because obviously, you know, fitness now, your metabolism is still high and things like that. But I got married, I'd quit my banking job, and then I was a full housewife, for the lack of better word. I had a business, but it was an online business. So I was always home, and my husband used to come home so late at that time because it was like, you know, in the middle of recording an album, so we'll be at the studio for long hours. I mean, I was doing New Wife, so I'll be waiting for him before I eat. I did not know that everything was waiting for me inside my stomach. And then obviously I heard that when you start to do the that married people do, you start to get fat, because they said that this thing is very proteinous. Amen. Anyway, so I started to get fat. And that was when, I think prior to then, I was weighing about 70 kg, that's because my bones are strong and I'm quite tall. So I was weighing 70 kg, but after I got married and all that happened, I went to about 75, 76 kg. That was my weight before I got pregnant. But I mean, I wasn't like this fittest. I stopped working out. I used to be at home eating late with my husband, enjoy my life. I didn't do anything fitness related again. And then, you know, after I took in, had a miscarriage, all those things have a way of impacting your body weight and things like that. Eventually took in for my baby Soteria, and that pregnancy, I was long. Like, my stomach was long. I'm going to be putting pictures. It was so long. I got to about 98 kg, and that was even the week before I put to bed. My last appointment before I put to bed, I was 98 kg. So let's even say I got to 100 kg when I put to bed, no jokes. And my baby was only she was 3.8 kg. So imagine, let's just say I was like, what, 92 kg last, because obviously it's not just the baby, the placenta and things like that come out after you have your baby. So let's say I was at 92 kg after having the child. Boobs, stomach, water in the leg, everything, a whole 92 kg of Tolulokwe solution. I don't know what that you people were saying. Not you people, some people. I say, this is your stomach, do something about it, my dear. Look at, I've done something about it now. How do you feel? But anyway, obviously I knew that even aside just the physical look, now that's another thing. I'm not under pressure. I don't put myself under any pressure because of what people say, and you shouldn't, because if you live your life to you know, please people, don't worry about it. As you're pleasing them, they're seeing something else to say about that thing you did to please them, or another person has the problem with the fact that you're even trying to please them. Human beings cannot be pleased. So just do you. If you're on the big side and you feel like you're not comfortable with your weight, then try to work on it, but do it for the right reasons. Do it because the Bible says you should honor God with your body. Do it because you want to live a long and healthy life for yourself and your children, not because you're intimidated by somebody on the internet, or because somebody is cyberbullying you and all of that. No, don't let that be your motivation. Anyway, so I decided when I was about 4 months postpartum that I wanted to start living healthy, because Oh my god, breastfeeding for me was another journey, and I took it P. My stash was, if you the whole freezer, so I used to eat a lot because I needed my baby to have all that good nutrients. But one day I just knew that like I would move and my organs would shift with me. I would like, I couldn't, my stamina was so low, like I couldn't really, I wasn't as active and strong as I was. So I decided to make what's it called, lifestyle changes. Now, speaking of lifestyle changes, I started with intermittent fasting. Obviously I was still breastfeeding, so I had to go low with my stuff. Then I started working out in my house. But if I burn 100 or 150 calories like this, I will be thankful to God. But obviously it's a journey, right? So I started little by little. I was getting better by the day, and that was where it all began. At some point I was seeing changes, but my stomach area, oh my god, that picture that I always put on Instagram and say a day before I dropped my first solo, my stomach was like long. If you see that picture, you understand why I had a condition called diastasis recti. But I'm so thankful for the team at Fit Mrs. Fat. Oh, I'm going to put all their details. I joined a team precisely 12 weeks ago. That was like first week in February, and at this point I was already putting in the effort, making lifestyle changes and all of that. In fact, I even did a video about what I ate in 10 days to lose weight and all that good stuff. But it was all what I knew, my own idea. Let's just do it military way. Let's just do it anyhow for the stomach to go down. But I'm so thankful for this team that I'm about to talk about, because once I joined them, I realized that I could eat the things that I loved but still be very accountable. I could work out 3 or 4 times in a week and lose weight the right way. And the particular thing I love about Fit Mrs. Fat is they hold you accountable. They are like, you think they're in your house with you, then there is a group where like you have to send your sweat fees. That was the first time I heard about sweat fees. You have to burn a particular number of calories in the week. Then you do weigh-ins, you send your starting weight, and then they track it like every other time. Their food was like, they will share, obviously once you join them, they will give you recipes to cook the kind of food. They will give you food timetable and things like that. And I'm just going to insert like the kind of foods, tantalizing, yummy Nigerian good food that I was still able to eat while losing weight. Now, this is just 12 weeks in, and to be honest, when they reached out to me, I'm like, oh, I'm already on the fitness lifestyle. My weight is, I think I'm just about 2 kg to go. I was about 79 kg then, and I currently weigh about 74 kg now. Like, I didn't even want to get here. I'm now weighing below my pre-pregnancy weight, and that is something I'm so thankful for. I love the fact that like they are there with you every step of the way. And this is me that I will not lie, I was not even really consistent with the food preparation, and obviously my coaches used to drill me like, what is wrong with you? Why are you not sending your food and things like that? But the good thing is, even though I wasn't so consistent with that, I was still choosing healthy options, because I had it at top of my mind that my coach is going to still ask for what I ate in a day. So even if you're not meal prepping, because that's another thing they do every week, they make you meal prep. Or even if you're not meal prepping, say you don't want to eat the same thing every day, you have to like send pictures of what you eat in a day. So it was with that consciousness and their drive and everything, they are drilling though, because sometimes I'm like, how do they want me to burn this number of calories in a week? How? But because you know that you're accountable to someone, you get it done. So shout out to you, Fit Mrs. Fat. I'm so thankful for joining your team. My transformation is amazing. My abs, thank you. Even though they are not there yet, the obliques they're already peeping from the obliques. I'm just so thankful that I came on board and I joined your team. The past 12 weeks was phenomenal. So guys, if you're looking to make lifestyle changes, even if you're not a postpartum mom, even if you're just like, you just want to be fit, obviously my number one thing is do it for the right reasons, and don't be under pressure to do it, because you just feel frustrated. But if you're doing it for the right reasons, you have additional motivation. So if you're in that category and you want to be fit, then I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below. They have so many offers, so many like students, yummy mommy package and things like that. And I'm not even done. I feel like it is now a lifestyle for me. The mental note, and that's another thing, fitness starts in your mind. So the mental note I had when I was in the UK and I was working out, the fact that, oh, I just need to be fit, I'm doing it for the right reasons, you know, for a full life, to honor God and things like that, is now my disposition now. And that's why I'm happy that I met them when I did, because now they've gingered me to just keep going. And even though I'm out of the team now, the online team, you know, it has now become like a lifestyle for me. If God honors you with your body, then honor him with your body. The Lord is your strength, in Jesus' name. All right guys, I've come to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh,
Wait them days.
switch up all
Body shamers, oh, where are my body shamers?
and imagine a utopia.
You know you can tell me this funny. Wow, you guys find it funny or not?
Expectations, they keep weighing me